Hi guys, welcome to another video. Before we get started on this one, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you to all the subscribers so far. I just recently hit 100 subscribers, so to me that's a big deal. So thanks very much for that. Today we're going to be working on an HP laptop. I have already done some troubleshooting on this. The CPU is shorted and also the battery needs to be replaced. You can see how we have a nice pillow battery here. So I have already ordered a replacement board. It's a second-hand board which I got offline. Yeah, so we're gonna swap the boards out, swap the memory, Wi-Fi card, heatsink, etc. And hopefully this board actually works. You never know when you buy second-hand stuff. So let's get started. So, just go over my stuff. I think I've got everything in. Power cable. We have a light. Pressing the button, power comes on, fan spin. And let's see if we get a BIOS. Switching off. This is RAM training. Switch back on. Nice. There it is. So board swap has worked. That's awesome. Okay, so let's get the thermal paste changed. Clean that up. Now that I know the board is working, I'm also going to order the replacement battery. I didn't want to go ahead and order that until I knew that this board was going to work. Put it into Linux and see how it behaves. It's going to do its RAM training again. Speakers are working, mouse is working. Keyboard's working. Let's see what board we have. Core i5, 1.6 gig, quad core, 8 gig of RAM. It's the same as the other one. Nice, let's check the Wi-Fi card. Yep, I can see the Wi-Fi networks. It's looking good. Okay, so I'm going to order a new battery, and when it arrives we'll pop it back in and do a final test. So I'll catch up with you then. Ciao. Okay, so we're back after a day and a half. We have the new battery. Looks like it's the right one. We'll pop it in and then run some tests. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we have the new battery installed. See, it's picking it up. Came with 80% charge. I plug the charger in, registers that it's charging, and we'll just confirm that. We'll leave that for a minute and see if it goes up in percentage. Otherwise, yeah, it's looking good. That's basically the job done. Just got to put the back on and then get it back to the customer. Once again, I'd like to say thanks to all the subscribers who have gotten me this far, and I hope that the channel keeps growing slowly but surely. Okay, so there you can see the percentage of the battery went up. It shows that it's working fine. Thanks again for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Ciao.